It's the end of May and I just spent the entire day in the garden and finishing up planting the rest of my seeds and seedlings either into the ground or raised beds or containers. I'm so excited. Everything is looking great and healthy. We did have a late May frost, which I thought killed my dahlias, but those babies are resilient. And with some rain and now the heat, they are doing great. So yeah, I am just going to share kind of a montage of everything we did this month in the garden. And I will also be sharing a piece on my Substack, the Dark Petal, where I'll share more in detail. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.